Hello and namaste. Welcome to Namita's Delightful Dishes. Today we are creating easy and delightful Nutella cupcakes topped with a delicious Nutella whipped cream frosting. What makes today's baking session even more special is that my two girls are joining in to help bake these delicious treats. So let's get started.
Hello, my name is Sanvi.
And my name is Nishta. First, preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit and line your cupcake pans with paper liners. Now, before we proceed, let's make our own buttermilk. Simply add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to 1 cup of milk.
Give it a good stir and set it aside for a few minutes. You'll notice it thickening slightly and developing a tangy flavor. That's your homemade buttermilk. In a medium mixing bowl, we'll prepare our dry ingredients. Add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and whisk thoroughly these dry ingredients, breaking up any lumps of cocoa.
In a separate mixing bowl, first crack 2 eggs. And then beat them well. Next, add 1/4 cup of Nutella, whisking until the mixture is well combined. Then add half a cup of vegetable oil and whisk until the mixture is well combined. Now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now let's add our homemade buttermilk. Stir this mixture thoroughly and finally pour these wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, blending everything together until you achieve a smooth, lump-free batter.
Divide the cupcake batter evenly among the lined cupcake liners. Fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 of the way full to ensure you'll get a nice dome on top when they bake. Bake in the preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cupcake comes out clean. Remove the cupcakes from the oven and allow them to cool in a pan for a few minutes. Then transfer them into a wired rack to cool completely before we add frosting.
Now let's make our Nutella whipped cream frosting. In a mixing bowl, blend 2 cups of whipped cream with half a cup of Nutella, followed by 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Remember, Nutella already contains sugar, but if you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add sugar for your liking.
Start whipping the mixture on medium-high speed. As the cream thickens, continue whipping until stiff peaks form. Be careful not to over-whip. You want the cream to be smooth and creamy. Taste the frosting and adjust the sweetness or Nutella content if needed.
Prepare a piping bag and insert a star-shaped tip at the bottom. Fill the piping bag with Nutella whipped cream frosting you prepared earlier.
Hold the piping bag vertically with one hand and use the other hand to gently squeeze the bag from the top. This will push the frosting through the star tip. Start piping the frosting onto the cooled cupcakes. Begin from the outer edge and work your way towards the center in a circular motion to create a decorative swirl.
Now let's add sprinkles. Carefully place glitter, stars, and edible beads onto the frosting. You can arrange them in any pattern or design you prefer. They'll add a touch of sparkle and a beautiful look on your cupcakes. Now it's time to taste.
These cupcakes have a delicious Nutella flavor and a nutty taste.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's Nutella cupcake recipe.
If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my mom's channel for delicious recipes and content. We both had lots of fun. Until next time, happy baking. Happy New Year. Peace out.